IELTS Academic Reading, Overview with Practice Questions. Introduction. Struggling with the IELTS Academic Reading section? Want to unlock that band 8 or higher? Let me guide you through everything you need to know. Brief overview. The Academic Reading section is one of the 4 components of the IELTS. Tests your ability to understand complex academic texts. By the end of this video, you'll know the structure, question types, strategies, and even tackle some sample questions with me. The academic reading section of the test lasts for 60 minutes and consists of 3 reading passages. These passages become progressively more challenging as the test goes on. In total, there are 40 questions, with each passage containing approximately 13 to 14 questions. The texts used in this section are sourced from academic journals, textbooks, reports and magazines, ensuring they reflect the kind of reading material typically encountered in higher education settings. Types of questions in the reading section. 1. Multiple choice. Description. Choose one or more answers from a list of options. Skills tested. Understanding detailed information, main ideas or specific points. Sample question. What is the main purpose of the author in paragraph 2? A. To explain the benefits of renewable energy. B. To criticize traditional energy sources. C. To propose a new energy policy. D. To describe a scientific discovery. 2. True, false, not given. Description. Identify if the information is true, false, or not mentioned in the text. Skills tested. Recognizing explicitly stated information. Sample question. The study found that renewable energy sources are more cost-effective than fossil fuels. True or false, or not given. 3. Matching headings. Description. Match headings to paragraphs or sections. Skills tested. Identifying main ideas and themes. Sample question. Match the following headings to paragraphs. The rise of renewable energy. Challenges in energy transition. Policies for sustainable growth. Future trends in energy use. 4. Sentence completion. Description. Fill in the blanks using words from the text. Skills tested. Understanding specific details and vocabulary. Sample question. The primary advantage of solar energy is its 5. Summary completion. Description. Complete a summary using words from a list or the text. Skills tested. Identifying key details and paraphrasing. Sample question. Complete the summary below. Solar panels are made from which is known for its efficiency in capturing sunlight. 6. Matching information. Description. Match information to paragraphs. Skills tested. Locating specific details in a passage. Sample question. Which paragraph discusses the role of government policies? A, B, C, D, E. 7. Diagram, chart, flowchart completion. Description. Complete a visual representation using information from the text. Skills tested. Understanding processes and steps. Sample question. Label the parts of the diagram based on the process described in the passage. 8. Yes, no, not given. Description. Identify whether statements agree with the writer's views. Skills tested. Recognizing opinions and attitudes. Sample question. The author believes that nuclear energy is a sustainable option for the future. Yes or no or not given. Common mistakes to avoid. Overthinking questions. Stick to the text. Don't assume or add outside knowledge. Spending too much time on one question, if unsure, move on and come back later. Ignoring instructions. Always check word limits and requirements. You can prepare for this test on your own through self-study, and it's possible. However, studying with a teacher can make you more competent, help you prepare faster, and provide valuable feedback on your practice, saving you a significant amount of time. If you need assistance, feel free to join our courses. We'd be happy to help. Would you like to learn skills and techniques for each question type? We have a complete playlist for this purpose, along with step-by-step analysed sample tests. Subscribe for more IELTS tips and tricks. Comment your biggest challenges in IELTS reading. Watch the next video for tips on the IELTS writing section